Chef Deborah. I'm here again, and of course, I want to share again another new recipe for you. I want to share with you one of the best chocolate cake that I have. You know, this is one of my secret recipe. But today, I will give you this recipe so it will be not a secret anymore. Most of us always love to eat chocolates. That's why I was thinking, you are staying at home right now, you will make it for your kids because all kids loves to eat chocolates. You know that everybody loves my molten cake. So I hope you like it also and try it to your home.
For the ingredients, 3/4 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 125 grams of butter, 160 grams of chocolate coins, half cup of white sugar, and 4 eggs. Mix together the butter and the chocolate coins. Melt in 60 seconds in microwave oven and mix it all together until incorporated. And then set aside. In another bowl, cream the egg with the sugar. Add the chocolate mix with the butter. Add the cocoa powder. Add half of the flour. And put the rest of the flour. Continue mixing until all ingredients are incorporated. With the chocolate or any chocolate spread like Nutella. Now, pour the butter mixture to each cup in a half of the cup. And then, add chocolate, 1 tablespoon of each cup. Now, refill each cup with the butter mixture. Tap each cup to remove the air inside and put in the baking tray. And now, it's ready for baking. Bake at 180 degrees for 5 to 7 minutes. Now, our molten cake is ready. I sprinkle some icing sugar on top as a decoration. Look, it's so tempting. I cannot wait to try it now. Wow! See? It's so delicious. I want to eat it now. Always serve it hot. Put it in microwave oven for 10 seconds. You can serve it in a cup, or also you can put it in a dessert plate like this. Once again, see how video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'm sure you will love this recipe and you will like it. Try it in your home and give love for your family. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy baking with me.